Good morning, everyone. Hayden back with another early morning update video. In today's video, we have to talk about the recent rebound that's pretty much taking place across the board. As you guys know, and I did read you guys' comments with the XRP case that they have possible time to appeal it. I don't know who's going to appeal it. Maybe the SEC is who's going to appeal it. I don't know how much they're going to win, though, because if you guys watched it, basically the SEC were suing for like $2 billion and they only got 4% of it. I think 4% or 6% of what they were asking, which is crazy. Still a major payout. I think 150 million compared to 2 billion, but still a win regardless for XRP. Whether or not that was a reason we saw this major correction, we knew there was going to be a rebound regardless. Although we did get that, hearing answered, we did get that finalized. We did know there was a rebound regardless of this market or of this current event. We knew it was coming because it didn't just affect XRP. Every single cryptocurrency rebound, every single cryptocurrency fell. I mean, we have the stock market, which fell quite a bit. We had Bitcoin dump, Ethereum, XRP, Solana all at the same time, and we just got news on XRP. Typically, if we got that news on XRP, it really would just affect XRP for the most part. That's not what happened here. So we have a lot to go over and a lot to discuss in today's video here with the major rebound and reversal. We are, today is Friday. We are entering this weekend here. Videos are going to come out kind of sporadic next week, just an update as I will be on travel, but I will try my best and we should be able to get videos out on time regardless, but we'll see how that is. Maybe not Sunday, but anywho, with this all being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's get right into today's episode. So guys, before we dive into the technical analysis, just remember that BYDFI is doing double reward sign-up bonus, which is really cool for this month. Highly recommend you guys check it out. More information will be later on in today's video, but ideally, they're giving away a $50 sign-up bonus reward for those that make a deposit and a 31-day VIP rate, which is really cool. That means that you guys get extremely low trading fees and a lot of other cool perks, on top of the fact that they are doing no spot trading fees, which is awesome. I actually find that the best. There's no maker or taker fees. So let's say you get Bitcoin transferred into your account and you want to get into USDT or you want to go into XRP or Solana, there are no fees surrounding you transferring and trading into other cryptocurrencies. So now you can convert your cryptos to whatever you want completely free, which is freaking epic. Kudos to BYDFI for making that possible here. But I want to talk about my second channel super quickly. I don't know if you guys have talked about it. I've always had a passion for talking about finance and going over things in the real world here, at least in America. I know you guys are watching from other places, but I'd like to hear your opinions on it. Anywho, I started a new channel. I have my card channel, but I started a new channel called Hayden Schreier V2. Might change it to Hayden Schreier Reacts or Finance or whatever. I don't know, but this is what I created here. And it's basically us talking about the crazy stuff that's happening within this world. And surprisingly, a lot of you guys like it. I'm really surprised, actually. We got some videos with over 1,000 views, and I just posted it 6 days ago. I started the channel less than 2 weeks ago, and a lot of these videos are popping off, and I'm very impressed and I'm very happy. And if you guys like it, make sure to check it out. I wanted to put it on this channel, but I figured might as well separate it because it's not the same. But we talk about credit card debt, shrinkflation, fast food prices, car payments, cost of living, so on and so forth. It's all really nice, and I highly recommend you check this channel out. I can link it down in the description below, but if you just type in my name and then type in V2, you'll find it like that. Super simple. I have it up here at the top. If I can zoom in, just type this in and it'll populate here. So make sure to check that out. I would like to hear your feedback. It's some controversial stuff. So, make sure to check it out, help support me. Anywho, moving forward into today's video here, you can see on XRP, we knew stuff like this was coming. Like, we can go back many days ago here, but we knew correction and reversals to the downside were almost imminent for XRP because we were tracking on the weekly charts here that we were inside of a massive, and I mean a massive descending fractal. It's been over a year now, actually. We started this in July of 2023, and it's currently July of 2024 or August of 2024 here. You can see we're in this massive lower high formation here. Check it out. I mean, look at this. I mean, it's so obvious. And we were talking about it just a couple of weeks ago here, how we have these major resistances at the top and we have these major supports at the bottom. And we were just talking about it weeks ago, like 5 or 6 weeks ago, last month, how we were in a descending fractal. We were tracking. We said, okay, at some point we're going to bottom off and rally up. And that is exactly what happened. We hit that bottom, we rallied up, and then we knew we had this resistance up here. And we said, if we can close a weekly candle above, just last week, above this major downtrend, we can buy in and long it to the upside here. Unfortunately, that didn't happen. We knew there was a big chance of reversal. The following week, that is exactly what happened. We fell to the downside. We're still inside the descending fractal. None of this was current event related, in my opinion. I think it's just coincidence here, but we knew that a correction was bound to happen here. We knew it. We knew it. So I am very surprised that a lot of people thought this might have something to do with the news that came out with the Ripple case. I don't think it had that much to do with it, honestly, because this is so textbook and it is so historically relevant with the previous market movements here that it was nothing that was out of the blue or surprising. It's exactly how the markets have been moving for days now. So it's by no means a surprise. We had a beautiful ascending triangle that we were tracking here. It's not like as we were filling this in here, we just dumped. No, we literally waited till completion and then saw a correction to the downside here. I mean, it was textbook. This is so freaking obvious here. Since then, we reversed up. We knew like a basketball, it would bounce and reverse to the upside here. That is exactly what happened. Now we're caught at the top inside the same point that we started at here. So again, I'm not buying in to XRP until we get confirmation closure above the blue band, above the moving average here. If we don't do that, then there's no point in buying in. And that's just my opinion on it. Right over here, we need closure outside this major resistance. Until then, we're probably going to start to slide a little bit lower here, and that's all right. Now, when we do decide to get new trades, because we don't have any new technical indicators forming yet, there's nothing, we just have a candle up and then down. There's no new indicator that would yield us buying in yet or knowing when the next break or move is going to be. We have to sit tight on XRP. But these trades that we've made, I mean, we made huge profits off the dump, and then we made huge profits off the pump, and we made huge profits off this rally. I mean, it was so obvious. Look, we were tracking this major descending fractal. We broke out of it. We rallied up, and then we were tracking an ascending triangle. We broke down, we shorted, and then we knew to buy in for a reversal to the upside here. Since then, we were able to do all these trades on BYDFI, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. And I want to tell you pretty much how I started with BYDFI. It's super cool and it's super simple. Basically, they're a free exchange. You can sign up with the link down below, and you get these free rewards here, the 50-day sign-up bonus and the VIP rate. On top of that, once you're on the exchange and you signed up, what's really cool about it is, I'm going to open these tabs in advance here, but you can buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. That's what's so cool about BYDFI, the #1 cryptocurrency exchange. But simply put, literally, once you sign up for it, you head on over to this welcome rewards tab. You have new user, advanced, exclusive, and limited time events here. You go claim as much of these as you can. You can earn up to $2,888. Even others where you can leave feedback and earn almost, what I think, $5,000. Yeah, check this out right here just by leaving feedback. So there's a ton of simple tasks. Go stockpile as many of this bonus money as you can. Reason being is once you're done stockpiling that, head on over to the demo trading account here, and they give you 50 grand in Monopoly money to test your skills. What you can do now, and what I did when I first started, I started to trade around and practice on the demo exchange. I actually started on eToro, and then I found BYDFI, and BYDFI had this demo account, and then eToro left the US, but that's another story for another day here. Anywho, once on the demo trading account, I started to trade. I practiced my skills, made profitable trades, learned how BYDFI's platform worked. Then I headed over to the live trading account, and then using that bonus money that you accumulated and the bonus money you get from sign-up bonuses, I can then use that to trade around on the platform. All the profits you earn off that bonus money, you can withdraw it completely free to your Coinbase account or send it wherever you want, your MetaMask, whatever it is. That's the epic part. All that bonus money you trade with and all the profit earned from that, you get to keep and pull out for free, which is really cool. Make sure to check them out. Link down in the description below. That's how I started, and it's the easiest way. It makes the most sense to me going through an exchange. Now, anywho, moving forward from XRP and BYDFI here, looking at Solana, notice all these cryptocurrencies are reversing. So it's not a surprise that we fell and rallied up. I mean, it's simple math here. We fell, we reversed up. It is not surprising. We hit oversold. We knew a reversal to the upside was destined to come. We knew this was going to happen here. This was extremely undervalued, coming off like a week, 2 weeks of downtrend. Now we're swinging to the upside here. More than likely, again, consolidation is needed. I don't have enough movement here to gauge a technical indicator where we need it to play out before we can draft one up. But until then, sit tight on a lot of these cryptos. Same thing with XRP, same thing with Solana. Ethereum had a major bounce off support. We saw that with the floor here, reversal up, makes sense. Moving forward from Ethereum here, we have Bitcoin also seeing a nice little reversal to the upside here. But again, none of these cryptocurrencies have enough drawn on them for us to be able to buy in and make trades. We don't have enough history or pattern moving forward to gauge when to buy in. We do have this uptrend on Bitcoin, which looks nice here. On the daily charts, we are retesting moving average. The idea is we can consolidate out like this because of how undervalued we are. Unfortunately, we need to let all these cryptocurrencies play out a bit longer before we buy in. So just, keep that in mind, that you have a couple days now of cool off period. We just made a ton of money off the dump and then the pump here. We had an ascending broadening wedge on Bitcoin. We knew to buy in once we confirmed closure outside of that. We shorted, then we hit floor. We knew to buy in and long, and it's just so easy to capitalize off these trades. Now, we did talk about S&P. I'll talk about it more today. I did enter a trade right around here. This was an extremely easy buying opportunity. Reason being is we just came off a major sell-off, about 10%. We fell. So this was an easy time to take advantage of this. I mean, we fell a total of 10%, pretty much on the dot here. So we entered trades right over here, right in this zone here, mainly because we just fell. And there's a good chance you can see how this market likes to see these higher lows. We haven't done that yet, but there's a good chance this is what's inevitably going to happen here. Another reason is we became oversold on the daily. We're also, retesting a price floor in green and moving average here. So this is all support. We started a dollar cost average. So I didn't take everything that I have ready to put in the market and do that. I put a little bit in, like 10% here, in the hopes that, to catch in at a bottom. If this is the lowest point we move to and then we head up, well, so be it. At least I have skin in the game. If not, and we head lower, we fall. Well, here's another entry point. And then here's another entry point. So I'm scaling I'm dollar cost averaging and scaling my position lower. And then if I buy in here and then I buy in here, then the position that I bought originally here will move itself down more so over here. And then if I buy in at white, I'll move it down over here. So it's a great way to, play the market. But you can see we always come back to retest moving average. We're doing the same thing. There's a good chance that this might be the lowest point and we could start to reverse up. Nonetheless, this was a healthy, inevitable correction here that we've been patiently waiting for. So not really much of a burden in any way that this is correcting. I'm not worried at any point. If we break through this, then we'll consider another dump, but we'll see if that happens. If we can confirm closure outside of this downtrend here, maybe we'll head on up. We had a little bull trap right here, which is unfortunate, but hopefully it holds itself where we currently are. But with that being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.